Good evening. Let me welcome you to this live broadcast, which is really a call for help. Our land is devastated. The drought has completely decimated our wealth. I'm in Kajiado County, where half of all the animals that originally make up part of the economy, I mean domestic and wild animals, have either died or have been sold. The remaining half have been moved to other counties like Narrow County, Kwale County, Taita Taveta County, all the way to Mombasa County. I want to call upon the Ministry of Livestock. I want to call upon the current administration as they are thinking of the support that they want to give to pastoralists, not to forget the Maasai nation. The Maasai people are suffering all the way from Marsabit. When you go to Marsabit, just like Kajiado, the county is littered with carcasses of dead animals, both domestics and wild animals. All around the world, people know the Masai Mara, they know Amboseli as a place to go and visit. But the truth is, our livelihood is now facing a serious crisis. Today, when I was coming to Kajiado to attend the Children's World Girl Child Day, I happened to visit my land, which is located next to the slope of Mount Kilimanjaro. And as I was coming, I would find elephants struggling to get something to eat. I'll find zebras barely able to walk. And my own people, the Maasai people, are also suffering greatly. When you talk to them, the first thing that comes out of their mouth is that the drought. We don't know where we went wrong. All these things is because of we, the people, who have decided to cut all our trees, who have decided to destroy our environment. I want to call upon the world in general, to call upon you who is currently watching this broadcast. When the rain comes, because they'll come, and I want to predict that we will not last for another 3 or 4 months before the rain comes, please plant a tree. And the government, let's not waste money in boardrooms. You know, let's get this government now out of the boardroom. Let's take them where the people are, where the people are suffering. People are dying. There's no food. It's a big challenge. I'm calling upon all of you to leave politics aside and come to the rescue of our people. I know the World Food Program, led by a good friend of mine, Mr. David Beasley, who was a former governor of North Carolina. I want to call upon you to also visit Kajiado County and to see the way our people are dying, our people are suffering. You know, the life of a Maasai is determined by the number of cows they have. But when a Maasai man gets up in the morning and look around and sees that all the cows are dying, they don't see the reason to live. So as you raise money all over the world, I'm pleading with you to think about setting up a lot of water pans for the wild animals. Here at LRI, next to Satao Camp, as you can see, the mountains up here, we have got a beautiful sunset. That's Tanzania there. That's Mount Kilimanjaro, which is up on this side. But when you can see, if you look, follow me, if you look at what the animals are left to eat, it is not the elephants which bring in dollars, millions of dollars. I just passed Satao. Well, it's full. It costs almost $400 or $500 a night. But where does that money go? You know, if you look around, I mean, the place is devastating. It's almost like we are turning around to becoming a desert. We we really need to come up with policies that can be able to help our people. You won't see a single cow. When I ask my friends where the cows are, they say the cows are at home, in the border of Kenya and Tanzania, and all the cows look at is whether there is any car that is coming with a bag. But what pains me the most is that just next door here, you'll find all these big chunks of land which have been converted. All the water is going there. There's a lot of irrigation. You know, we are stupid as a Maasai. We've sold all our land. The little one we are left with, we convert it into a conservancy so that we can make a little shilling. And I want to call upon the entire leadership in this country. Can we stop for once thinking about ourselves? Can we think about our people? Our people are suffering. And then the entire leadership of the Maasai leadership, I want to call upon you. Let's come together. Let's find a way to help our people. Even if it means reducing the number of cows we have. But also, can we take care of our environment? This is why it pains me a lot when I hear people talking about the Mount Forest, because I know the effect of global warming. I know the effect of deforestation. It is now time for us to really think about our people. It is time for us to make choices that will be able to change this country. And I want to call upon our brothers where it's raining.